Hello everyone, I am Johanna from 𝐀𝐫𝐭𝐢𝐟𝐢𝐜 Education. Today I am gonna share you something more important about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, that is AI, is very popular subject for modern generation students. And why not? Because in this modern era, we can't do a single thing without the help of artificial intelligence. Today we will discuss 5 interesting things about artificial intelligence. So no more any further ado, let's get into the video. Before going to the main part, at first we should know what is artificial intelligence. Simply, with artificial intelligence, a machine performs human-like intelligence. It performs tasks as we do. At present, AI is used in everything like smartphones, cars, video games, banking and many other aspects to make our daily life easy. It converts manual labor into machine work. You will command it and it will work. So, here is the 5 interesting things about artificial intelligence. First of all, artificial intelligence is not real human intelligence. It's a software with cognitive power. That means it's not a real human, but it can perform like human just following the command. Point number 2. Human workforce can be replaced by AI. Nowadays, you can use AI as your assistant. You will command it and it will perform. Point number 3. Nowadays, AI is becoming smarter than humans. Humans get bored with their daily work or get tired, but AI can do a lot of work smartly as it is not a human being. It is never gets bored or tired. Point number 4. Big tech companies highly depend on AI. Nowadays, many big industries are now using robots to complete their tasks rather than using manpower. And the last but not the least is point number 5. Human voices can be recognized through artificial intelligence. AI can recognize you with your voice. For example, if you are using smartphone, there is a Google Assistant and you can use it for playing music, setting an alarm for you or giving you a reminder of any specific thing. It will only follow your command if you set up your voice into it. Interesting, right? This is for today. To know more information about our course or university abroad, stay tuned to 𝐀𝐫𝐭𝐢𝐟𝐢𝐜 Education and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.